So you might be looking for a way to repair a car in SurrounDead. Well, this one is actually quite easy. So first things first is you need to meet the following requirements. So first things first, you need to have the right tools. So the first thing that you want to do or guarantee here is you need to have a vehicle repair kit. Now, a vehicle repair kit can be found or looted on certain areas, like for example, in a gas station, or you could buy this from a vehicular shop. Now, depending on your map, it may spawn at gas stations, so you can loot this. Actually, I'm quite lucky I got this from a gas station. Now, how do you exactly use it? Now, by the way, in order for you to find a vehicle, you need to really search the map. Like, if I'm not mistaken, like you only have like 10 vehicles at a time in a map. But yeah, so how do you repair this? Now, depending on the vehicle, sometimes you need to go to the front and it should spawn an option here that says repair. Now, if you don't see that at the front, like for example for a buggy, you need to go to the back, which where the engine is actually. Now, as you can see here, now we are getting the repair option here. So what do we need to do? Well, what we need to do is you want to go and just press F on your keyboard and it's going to start repairing the vehicle. Now, I just need to wait for the whole animation to complete. But once the whole animation is complete, as you can see, we've completed or repaired it fully. Now, currently, we can only repair it up to like 75, up to 50%. So each repair kit gives you like 50 repair percentage here. So yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.